Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we've got a CLA 45 and I'm going to show you how to replace this big box and replace it with something like this. Let's go. So what's the problem? The CLA comes with a front plinth that's way too large for almost any Australian plate. So the solution, you can replace the factory one with our one, which is going to be a lot smaller and cleans up the bar really well. We'll get this fitted to the car. This works together with our number plate bracket. So you make sure you pair it up with the bracket that suits your plate style because they are sold separately. With that out of the way, I'll show you how to get this installed onto the car. First step, take off your factory plinth, which is easy. Phillips head, 2 screws, and it pops off. The next step is to find the middle. So the easiest way to do it is to find the 2 factory holes and measure it and find the middle. What I did was just put a bit of tape there and I marked exactly where middle it was. Line that up with the little marker on the plinth, and then you can get a texter and draw where your drill points are going to be. Now that we've transferred the holes onto your bumper, I like to pre-drill, so something small like 3mm, and drill out the 2 holes, which will allow us to put our screws in. Now that the holes are pre-drilled, you can go ahead and line your plinth again, grab your screws and screw it in. Also comes with little spare blanking screws. These ones go in where the old factory plinth was, so that way you're not left with a blank hole. Now we need to talk about the bracket. So it's important for you to grab one of these brackets at checkout that matches your plate because they work together to create the mounting solution. So for example, if you're running a slimline plate, you grab yourself a slimline bracket that bolts on and the plate goes on. Today, we're going to be installing Victorian signature plates. So I've got a signature bracket, which I'll bolt on, and these will clip in. To mount our signature plates is easy. Just get the top mount in the top and click in the bottom. And then just tighten it with the screws provided. That's how you install our delete kit on a CLA 45. We've gone from the big factory box to a nice floating look with signature plates. I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.